Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Apple Pencil model because pairing differs. This saves time. Once done, open Settings or Control Center and make sure Bluetooth is on, then bring the pencil near the iPad. This triggers the pairing prompt. Tap Connect immediately. You'll see a brief animation and a battery status widget. Why this matters? Correct pairing avoids lag and ensures pressure/tilt functions work. If you skip model checking, you may try the wrong pairing method and stall the process. Now you calibrate and validate features so the pencil feels natural. Open Notes or your preferred drawing app and draw several strokes to test pressure and tilt responsiveness. You want smooth lines without jitter. Then, go to Settings to customize double tap actions or gesture shortcuts. This speeds workflows. Make sure palm rejection is active and sensitivity suits your grip, because that prevents stray marks. As you adjust, try a few quick sketches. This confirms settings and highlights any needed tweaks. To finish, charge the pencil fully, attach it to the magnetic side for second-generation models, or plug in the lightning adapter for first. A full charge prevents intermittent dropouts. Then, test typical tasks: handwriting, selecting, erasing. Make sure shortcuts respond. If you encounter problems, restart the iPad first. That often clears Bluetooth glitches. If issues persist, unpair and repair the pencil in Bluetooth settings. This reset typically resolves stubborn connection or calibration faults. Try it before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.